Alright, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World. We're going to be taking a look at this 2016 Toyota RAV4. It is a limited edition. It comes loaded up with sunroof, power driver seat, power liftgate, heated seats, leather interior, navigation, backup camera, and a bunch more stuff. All-wheel drive. It's got only 82,000 miles. Well maintained. Great fuel mileage. It's also equipped with steering wheel controls. So it's loaded up. It's got everything in it. Everything you need. Alright, I hope this video gives you a better idea of what this vehicle looks like in person. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 540-898-8300. This vehicle is available now at driveplatinum.com. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. driveplatinum.com. Thank you very much for watching.